What are you playing with today? 45-9?
Nah, all 9mm. CZ P10F and Walter PDP full size.
I just got the PDP Pro compact.
I carried PDP compact with the trigger on it. Pretty much same gun. Right now I got my Glock on me because I gotta test this little what they call it, unedited critical light duty. Test it out in this little gun. But I normally carry that. But I got the performance trigger on it, Olsen on it, Glock sights on it.
Hey guys, my first Walter. I just did a build. I got the 3 compact, but I put the anything lower, you know, the hammer thing. Optic. I think I'm gonna do DPFSM, but I shot this.
What got me on this one, I bought the mechanic rocket. Loved it. I said, well, I know that's a knockoff. Let me try the Walter. And I bought that the compact. That's my favorite gun now. Because I was a Glock head for the longest.
Yeah.
I still love them because I like to mess with them and send them out.
Those CZs are nice though, man.
I went Glock. I went now Springfield first. Then like Grips. Then I went Glock. I went crazy on Glock. I got Trillies. Then I went CZ. Then I bought that cannon. Now I'm on PDP. That was my favorite gun right now.
P01 it was the carry I used to carry, and I love that little compact.
Yeah.
But hey man, it's a solid. What base plates did you put on the? Are those?
Killer intervention, I think.
Killer innovations, yeah. Okay.
This is same thing as the Walter. Companies had, because I didn't like the PC ones look like the competition one.
Yeah.
Big awkward thing. I can't think of it. But
I like how this helps me put my hand in that purchase. Right? Yeah.
This is the carry. I'm trying to find a good picture of it. I got the gray one coming. I'm trying to find a good picture of it. That's before I put the mag well on it. I got the performance trigger and everything on it. Yeah, same trigger. Pretty much a pro, but I did it myself.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, same thing. Without the thread barrel. Yeah.
Yeah, you were saying online the reviews, it's like, to do the upgrade, you're better off buying that to save the money. But
yeah. But I wasn't going to put a compensator on it, so I didn't need a threaded barrel.
Yeah.
So.
Well, I'm looking to get a suppressor, have it on the nightstand, and.
I live in Delaware. We ain't allowed to have them. Yeah.
Well, I just moved back from California, so that was.
I'm heading out there for my son Monday.
Where in California?
San Diego.
Oh, okay. I was Chico, about an hour and a half north of Sacramento, so I was all the way at the other end.
Yeah.
I actually worked for a range out there, and it was.
It's horrible. They got to go through the system just to get a box of ammo.
Oh yeah, it's the whole 10-day wait. And everything.
Oh
yeah.
yeah.
Crazy also too. Like you have, the approved list of what you can and cannot buy unless you're law enforcement stuff. But I tell people it's stupid because like you walk in, ask for a Glock 43, oh you law enforcement, no, I can't sell it to you. But as a private citizen, if I own one, you want to buy mine, show what you do right there.
Yeah. Well, you know, people that don't like guns are the ones that are making the laws. So, yeah, so that's the problem. You know what I mean?
No, it's just it is. And I'm a DOJ certified firearms instructor. Like I'm about the education and the training. I'm all for that.
Yeah.
It's just That's where we need to get these people more involved, is actually understanding.
I just gave mine up in March.
Oh, did you?
I didn't redo it. Yeah, it wasn't making enough money. It was too much of a headache.
Where were you teaching?
Here, yeah, and TFS.
I worked at TSS for a little while. I can't stand the son.
Nah,
He's, I don't know, they different.
they seem pretty cool. I have problems here, man. There's one tall guy. He's as racist as he could be. Matter of fact, he's a parked his truck out front, and he was just too much. I mean, I don't.
Did you, what was your, did you NRA and everything like that? Your certs?
USS.
USCCA? Or
Yeah. Can't even think of it. Yeah.
Did you go through the courses? How did
Yeah, I went to courses. Guy down Lower Delaware, 2-day course, 2 8-hour course. I mean, 8 hour to 8 hour.
Yeah, because I've got, like I said, I've got that cert, but that's California, so I want to try to start teaching here and get the credentials and everything.
Yeah,
so.
I went that way. NRA is better because these guys, you have to have 25 guys per month or something, or you lose your thing. You know, I hate that kind of mess. Don't force me. I want to do it casually. So I was just too much of a headache trying to get on people in, and
that's what I'm trying to do. Just private lessons and bring people and just, you know, do that kind of shit.
Yeah, I do that, you know, on the side. These guys, you know, you gotta watch these guys because they don't like that. So you're an instructor, you got your insurance card? I said, no, this is my daughter. I'm just showing her pointers, but they don't like that. They used to bother me about my GoPro too, but you know, I've been shooting here for 6-7 years. It depends on who's the range guy.
Yeah, it's one of those.
They keep changing range guys out, and
yeah, that's where, like, I guess whenever he quit, like, he was cool, like no gun guy. Like, we'll leave, you know what I mean? It's the ones that
right. Yeah.
Like, man. God, I can't put this down.
ah. That's high. Oh, I knew it. I knew it. Ah, you son of a... Ah, you fucker. Right. still think the best carry gun, little size, Glock 48.
See, I like the 938, the SIG. No?
That trigger's horrible.
All right, I mean, for me, I liked it.
That trigger's horrible. You want to shoot this 48? I got it on me right now. Best carry on, I mean, small stack, hidden. Like this is my summer gear.
Okay. All right, 1 or 2 rounds.
I let you shoot my my self-defense. That's even got more powder and it's still gonna be
No,
nice.
I'll swap out.
You're good. You're good, because I'm changing it out anyway. It's hot. I probably laid it on the trigger, on the mag.
Failure ejected that round. I don't know why I'm not wrong.
You riding it? I find it. It's risky, huh? Probably not used to them little guns.
That's probably, yeah. Not.
Was it chamber?
No, it was trying when I do it forward. It was, but
Oh, you're a slingshotter. It's probably got one of the best triggers I've on even on a regular gun. Short.
I just, you know what it is? Single and I also had a really bad hand injury in February where I got these 2 fingers. So I'm just getting back to, like, because I shoot both left and right. But that is smooth.
This is 15 rounds.
Oh, I saw it.
Oh, you saw that? Yeah.
I know you don't play.
Most people still think it's 10. I got the shield rounds. Only thing about shield rounds, you got to use Hornadies because of the narrow tips.
Yeah.
The regular stuff like SIG with the big open, it'll jam it. I don't know why.
Lindsay, by the way. I'm sorry.
Rob,
Nice to meet you, man. So.
I'm just trying to get rid of this ammo. Put some new stuff in there.
Place within like 100 miles that does move and shoot training. That's what I miss doing. And it's. I heard there's a place in Malvern gonna be opening up, but.
Yeah, I think. Trying to think of them down there. The farm in Maryland, just over the line.
Okay.
Can't think of the name of the what's it called. But it's ladies over the bar. It's not the regular not the regular course. But it's an open farm. You get your whole little plot yourself. So, you know,
I was also gonna say, have you seen the Mantis, that Mantis training aid? That
Yeah.
attaches?
The light and lasers.
I'm thinking about getting that.
Yeah.
That looks.
Around the house, yeah. That gives you a nice little draw.
Yeah, what I like too is for the pro, for rifle, and I also do bow hunting, and like, so it'll work on a bow too. So.
Yeah, there you go. Just sweep it over here.
Oh.
I collect the brass.
Oh, do you? Okay.
Yeah, you can just sweep it over. It's funny, I took this, I got the CZ Compact, I took that red dot off of there, just put it on here. It's amazing, you should think it'd be put on there to be 0, but it's so high.
And here's the standard that I did, and then that's why I put the Icarus over and then the Ronin.
I heard the grips are real
That
nice.
felt so nice to put that on.
Oh, I love it. I definitely want to get one. I just triggered.
With that, you can go dot or circle dot or circle.
Yeah, that's how these are.
Yeah.
Or the
And it's got
Hornady.
tap where you just can tap on the top.
Yeah, the motion sensor.
Yeah.
Well, RMRs do that. That's the RMR right here. It's got the circle dot, which I use for self-defense. Those I put in there,
Yeah.
and then you can change it to one dot.
I think he's trying to find a good holster. It's tough now. It's
Yeah.
like I've almost thought about just getting a little Dremel Kydex and try to just work it, and because I'm not like appendix, like I'm more like right here, so yeah. I'm gonna get. What's cool I recalled before is that in that code they'll send you for adjustment plate.
Right.
So I'm gonna take my Romeo off my SIG, put it on this, because this is gonna be my new nightstand gun.
Have you seen the big boy?
Oh God.
This is the. $18 rounder. This is the 4.5 though. It comes in 5. I got the 4.5.
How do you like this?
That's the same thing. The Holison. That can do the round, the 32 round or the center dot.
Have you tried any of the other optics that you find you preferable to?
This is my preference.
Okay.
I started with Vortex.
Right.
It just seems so cheap. And then I went RMR. Only thing I don't like about RMR, you gotta take the whole sight off to change the battery.
Yeah.
Unless you get the SRO. And if you drop the SRO, it's a done deal. I got that on. Well, actually, I had it on here first, and I stuck it on my Mechanic. And these are my favorite Holisons because they got the, the motion sensor. The battery lasts forever. And the side drawer to take the battery out. I think they're my favorite. And that's the now that RMR lost its patent, that's why everybody's going square now. Because RMR lost the patent. For a while, you could get a square. So now Holison get the square ones. That's a done deal.
Oh man, when your brass is it's good.
Thank you, sir. Ooh, didn't lie. Still too high. Dude, did you hear that dude said he was an instructor? Need more instructors out. Hey, back that time. We only got 5 in there. Ay, ay. I know this lock back. There's a weak spring on this thing. Spring is. I gotta update that spring. This mag. Shit. I ain't got nothing to. Got no more big ones. No. Yeah, I do. Dot, going dot. See where we at. High to the right. This is high. Up. Oh yeah. I knew I was gonna leave that. Damn it. Damn it. Ah, fucker. Can't get it. Damn. Off that spring, that thing locked back. Crazy. Nice. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Nice, nice, nice. That is a good shooter. That is a good shooter. Try some of this defective factory blivish secondhand, whatever. Shit! That motherfucker is shit! $15 yards. Nice. Wish I could adjust it, lower it down some. Nice. Try some of this close range shit. PDP full size. My big ass hand made this look like a compact, don't it? Shoot, you know what they say with guys with big hands? Got big gloves. Man, see how your mind working. Wear big gloves. Stop it. See if I can get some of them red dots on this damn thing. Look at the spark coming out of that cheap ass end. Ooh, flinch. You see the fucking sparks coming out of this cheap ass shit? Well, man, that spring is weak. Gotta find a spring for this. Only put, was that 2 or 3? I think it is. 3 more rounds to make this damn spring weak. See if I can find one. No Ghost Mix one. Try that one. There's a filler up. Fill her up. See what I got. Ooh, right there. Man, that's a fill up. So fill up, go over the middles. Over the middles. All kill shots. Y'all saw it. Oh, I got some good damn things. That baby. That baby. That's the PDT Performance Duty trigger. Man. Wait till I get the flat trigger on there. Right now I ain't buying nothing but, I mean, Walters. Oh yeah. Shoo. Y'all saw it. Rapid fire. That was rapid fire. Y'all saw it. You doggy.